starting from Naka Izu, that is in the top of Izu Peninsula. I'm going to show you around wasabi fields and banjo falls and going to sushi local restaurants. And do you know wasabi? Of course, it's on the top of sushi. But not only that, just going to wasabi fields. Oh, it's just beautiful place. And huge wasabi fields makes you feel just wonderful and beautiful. And going to Banjo Falls, you just feel like, oh my God, you forget about busy life and getting a new fresh air inside of your body and mind. And then at the end of the tour, I'll take you to sushi restaurant, local restaurant with a lot of, gorgeous sushi, and talking with the staff at sushi restaurant makes you feel, oh, it's great. So if you're interested in coming to Naka Izu, I'm here to show you around. Thank you. Gracias. Ciao. Goodbye.